ginger and some chili flakes, Italian herbs, black pepper, salt, paprika, oregano right here, garlic, avocado oil, olive and basil, tomato sauce, pink salmon, spaghetti, almost 300 grams, avocado oil, garlic, onion, ginger and green chili, some salt, cooking it for 3 minutes. I'm going to add tomato. Wow. And salt, oregano, Italian herbs, red chili, paprika, pepper powder. Mix it well, and I'm gonna let it simmer for at least 5 to 7 minutes. And meantime, we're gonna prepare spaghetti. To 7 minutes, tuna fish, salmon fish. Some water. I'm going to let it simmer again almost for 5 minutes, then we'll come back. Avocado oil. Perfect. To add, you can add cilantro or parsley, whatever you have it.